Good morning. We are just on our first walk. Let me show you who we have. We have Magic and Miss Luna. So she's a bit scared of Magic at the moment, but she's slowly getting there. She'll like walk behind her and sniff her. So I thought we'd just use this as a little intro walk together with no pressure. Yeah. We have made it to the field. Luna is intrigued by Magic, but I can see what they say. She's a bit nervous about when she starts moving a bit fast. But she is doing good. She is sniffing her and stuff and going up to her. I think she's just still a bit intimidated. But Magic, I think, is doing really good work right now in just ignoring her, which I think is helping Luna with her confidence. Yeah, she's been a very good stooge dog and not being too much. Are you right, Loon? You good girl? Oh, I didn't bring my long line out because I forgot, so I've just swapped Magic's lead onto her because, like I said, last time Luna's really good. I don't envision her running off, so I've just flipped that lead on instead, so I've still got a bit of anchorage to grab her if I need to, and I've got her lead with my hand instead so that hers doesn't get muddy. But no, the whole walk down here, she was kind of going up behind her, sniffing her, checking her out. Luna, I mean, not Magic. Like, if you watch, she does kind of follow her, and she is kind of like excited by her, but then she's like, oh, I don't know. Is she not scary? Is she lovely? Come on then. She's like, oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Good girl, Magic. It's okay, Loon. Yeah, it's okay. Look, she's not even coming near you. She's just standing here. I think she's feeling herself a little bit more now. She's getting a bit more free, a bit more bouncy. I think she's realising Magic's not going to hurt her. You good girl? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, she good girl. Come on in. But yeah, Magic's like, nah, I'll just sniff and leave you alone. You can go do your puppy zooms. Good girl, Magic. She just noticed that dog across the road from us and didn't even care. She's being super duper girl today. Being a very good girl. But yeah, we're going to do just a small loop of Strode and then start heading back in a minute. Behind the dog, we'll just cut off this bit because I'm not out of walking her for too long. Definitely get a bit more confident. Oh god, okay. Always got to roll. Always. I'm happy. Yeah, she's not coming for you. She said, I'll just hide behind you just in case. Just in case. I'll just hide behind you. Good girl, super Magic. What is going on today? You've been a good girl. You've been a very good girl. Yesterday, she decided she had to bark at a dog by our house because she didn't get all her zooms out in the walk. And now today, she's noticing dogs and behaving. She knows she's got to behave. She really wants to play with it, you can tell. She does. She's just a bit like, oh, I just don't know. She said, I don't know what's going to happen if I do. Granted, Magic is obviously bigger than her. But she is being really nice. And she said, I'll do nice sniffs, I promise. Okay, I'll leave you alone. She's like, no, come back. I do want to play with you, I promise. I just don't know. It's actually really cute. Magic's trying her hardest. All right, Loon, steady. You're caught. Magic is trying her hardest not to freak Luna out, so she keeps like doing a little run, seeing that it's freaking Luna out, and then stopping. So I think she's really realised that she's not really that confident around her. So she's really trying her best just to stay away and be a bit more aloof, even though she does really want to play. Which I think is going to help for Luna and realise that not every dog is scary, not every dog wants to jump all over her, and just help bring up her confidence a bit. But yeah, she's definitely getting more confident because she is kind of exploring out a bit more. It's just when magic starts coming towards us, she's a bit like, oh God, oh no. So just watching her be a goofy goober. Magic's like, I promise. She's like, I'm good girl, I promise you, I lies. I just sniff you. So okay, I get it. You don't want to play with me, that's fine. See, she is nice. You could be best friends at some point. Yeah. She's like, I want to, but I just can't. We are just heading back on our walk now. Luna's definitely a lot more confident walking next to Magic now. I think she realises she's not going to do anything to her. She's actually having a waggle at her, which is sweet. We're doing super well on the way back. Not your house. We've had an attempt to go sniff inside a little bit. Come on, walk on. No, we're not doing too bad. Right, it is now a few days later. It's actually Monday, but I didn't outro Friday's vlog, so I thought I'd do it now. So basically, on that walk, we had Jack, Win, Socks, Magic, and then my sister's partner came with Harlow and Shadow. So we had a nice little six. We walked around the riverbank fields, as you saw. Everyone had a great time. Socks was really excited to see Harlow because he hasn't seen Harlow for a while. But yeah, everyone had a great time. They were all good. Lots of plays. And that was it for the days, for that day. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.